Hi everybody. So this is going to be a short little video showing you a couple little updates on Google Classroom that we're going to be utilizing, or what might look different now that we're all virtual. So Google Classroom, it looks the same. It's going to be set up the same. There's one thing that's going to look a little bit different, and that's going to be the agenda. So pretending that today is the first day of virtual learning, and there will be a lot more things in this folder eventually, but for the most important part right now is the agenda. So that's going to look different. So you're going to click it, open up the agenda, and this is what it's going to look like. On Monday, November 30th, so that's the agenda day. And this is just a little reminder, making sure that your child is ready for learning for that day, that they're at a table or a desk with all of their supplies, and their learning spot is what I'm going to call it with the kids. And this is the schedule. And it's going to be the same every day. And on this schedule, these little like speech bubbles, that means they're going to be live. Usually with me, the only time they're not going to be with me is going to be on the specials day. Then on this slide, it also tells you the Google Meet code. And this is a little bit different because usually we were joining Google Meet with a link, and now we're going to do it a much easier way. So if you see on the slide, it says click laptop to join. So you're going to click the laptop and it pulls up the Google Meet. And on this slide, it says Google Meet code is Crew 103. So all you're going to do is click join or start a meeting. Okay, you're going to be joining a meeting, so we're going to click that. And then you're going to type in the class code. And the agenda slide said it was Crew 103. And it will be Crew 103 for the time being. And it most likely will not change. So making sure to check what the class code is, because when you have a special, the class code will be different. If you are meeting with Miss Ward or Mrs. Smith, it'll state, and that might be different since they're teaching science and social studies. And then once you click continue, then it brings you right to the meeting, and I would be there waiting for you. So that is it right now for the new aspects of Google Classroom that might be a little different than usual. But yeah, so if you have any questions about how to join a live Google Meet now, please feel free to Class Dojo me, and I will surely help you out.